Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 4 best Speakman showerhead. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Speakman S-2005-HB-E175. Brand, Speakman. Style, modern, adjustable. Shape, round. Material, plastic. Finish type, chrome. Contemporary design. This premium high-flow showerhead has clean lines and a sleek, simple faucet designed to enhance and complement any modern bathroom's bath and shower accessories. AnyStream technology. The adjustable showerhead's patented AnyStream 360-degree system effortlessly transitions through intense, massage and combination settings, evenly distributing water. High pressure. Showerheads control the spread of water as it leaves the nozzle with patented plungers so that pressure can build and intensify, making it an ideal low water pressure showerhead. Low maintenance. Self-clean plungers within the replacement showerhead resist hard water buildup and sediment, keeping the showerhead cleaner and easier to maintain. Speakman Plumbing. From commercial plumbers' supplies to bathroom accessories to fall in love with, Speakman delivers quality, innovation and performance with every product. Number 2. Speakman Polished Chrome S-2005-HB-E175. Hotel Pure AnyStream High Pressure Showerhead 2.0 GPM Adjustable Showerhead with Filter. Brand, Speakman. Style, showerhead. Shape, round. Material, iron. Finish type, brushed. Transitional design. This high-flow showerhead has a contemporary design and premium finish. The polished chrome showerhead is an ideal replacement shower filter for any modern home's bathroom. Pure filtration. An internal showerhead filter system collects up to 99% of chlorine, iron, dirt, and other unwanted elements that can adversely affect the health of your household's hair and skin. The result is filtered water that will also result in less buildup of calcification on the showerhead and in the shower stall. AnyStream technology. The adjustable showerhead's patented AnyStream 360-degree system effortlessly transitions through intense, massage and combination settings, evenly distributing water. High pressure. Showerheads feature patented plungers to control the spread of water as it leaves the nozzle, allowing powerful pressure to build, making it an ideal low water pressure showerhead. WaterSense certified, 2.0 GPM flow rate. Speakman Plumbing. From commercial plumbers' supplies to bathroom accessories to fall in love with, Speakman delivers quality, innovation and performance with every product. Products with flow rates over 1.8 GPM cannot ship into the state of California. Number 3. Speakman SM-7430-PBN Caspian AnyStream Showerhead with Diverter. Valve and Tub Spout Shower Combo, Brushed Nickel. Brand, Speakman. Color, Brushed Nickel. Material, brass, plastic, zinc. Finish type, brushed. Caspian Collection. Includes showerhead, arm and flange, tub spout and diverter valve and trim. Anti-scald pressure balance valve with built-in check valves. Number 4. Speakman SEF-2001-8. Brand, Speakman. Mounting type, wall mount. Finish type, polished. Material, chrome. Color, chrome. Included components, eyewash. Hole count, 18. Special feature, not _ applicable. Meets all OSHA national codes and ANSI Z.358.1 compliant. 0.22% returns due to defects over 10 years. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.